So anyway, if you go to Walmart's or you go to any of the stores, you're going to find that you can't find any surgical masks. And you can't really, you can order them on Amazon, but they won't come until like April 28th or something, if they come at all. So I'm going to show you how to make a mask out of basically a dinner napkin, which everybody has, you know, a cloth napkin. And it'll work pretty good. And, what they say is, necessity is the mother of invention. So here goes. Let's do it. First, what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half. And then what we've got to do is we've got to do like an accordion type of fold. We're going to go like that. And then we're going to go like that. All right. So now it's like an accordion. All right. So then we're going to take our little rubber bands, open them up, pull it through to about the length of how big your head is or your face is. And right about there. I'm thinking that's going to work my face pretty good. All right, then you're going to bend this over. Then you're going to bend this over. Now you can accordion it out like this by just pulling on it. You see? It kind of stretches out. So then we can get it over our face. Okay, so we've got our accordion flip, right? So now what we've got to do is we're going to bend these over like this and like this so that we have our two little ear folds. Then we're going to take it and we're going to put it right by our face right now and get it around. And then you have to get in here and we're going to pull these open. And there you go, you got your mask. Let's see how I look without my glasses. So you can pull it higher if you want. And under here, it covers here. You can adjust it however, to make it feel better. And then, bam, Bob's your uncle. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff like make masks, bidets, toilet paper, wash your hands, all that stuff. Stay safe, everybody. Peace out.